What's up, everybody? It's your boy, David Atkins, back with another video, and this time, we're diving deep into the world of small business and DIY. We're about to reveal 15 game-changing machines that are going to blow your mind, that you can buy from Aliexpress for under $1,000. These machines are 5 times the price in other stores. Go to my description and get 10% discount from my affiliate account. Whether you're running a bakery from your kitchen, starting a side hustle, or just love tackling projects around the house, these machines are about to become your new best friends. Subscribe, click the like button and share this video. We've got everything from grinders to printers to machines that make freaking edible coffee cups. Get ready to take some notes because we're about to break down each machine, talk about what makes them so awesome and why you need them in your life. And go get it AliExpress. It's going to be epic. Let's do it. First up, we're kicking things off with a machine that's perfect for all you baking enthusiasts and health-conscious viewers out there. The electric mill grinder, for $180. This thing is a beast when it comes to turning whole grains into fresh, delicious flour right in your own home. Imagine this, you're craving some homemade bread, but you don't want to deal with the hassle of going to the store for flour. Boom! You whip out your trusty electric mill grinder, toss in some grains, and bam! Fresh flour in minutes. And the best part? This machine is super affordable. Plus, it's compact and easy to use, so even if you're short on space, this bad boy can fit right on your countertop. So if you're ready to up your baking game and take control of your ingredients, the electric mill grinder is a must-have. Alright guys, next up is the automatic tortilla making machine. For $1,000, this beast pumps out perfect tortillas faster than you can say Taco Tuesday. Just toss in your dough and it flattens and cooks to perfection. It handles different sizes, from mini tacos to large burritos. Alright guys, this next machine is for all my entrepreneurs and side hustlers out there. The key cutting machine, for $900. This thing is a game changer if you're looking to start your own locksmithing business, or just want to be the go-to key maker for your friends and family. No more driving across town and waiting in line at the hardware store just to get a key copied. With this machine, you can set up shop anywhere and start duplicating keys like a pro. And trust me, people are always losing their keys, so you'll have no shortage of customers. But here's what really sets this machine apart. It's Bluetooth enabled. That means you can control it from your phone, track your inventory, and even accept payments all in one place. With a little practice, you'll be cranking out keys like it's nothing. Alright guys, it's time to talk about a machine that's perfect for all you foodies out there. The hot dog roller, for $120. This thing is a classic for a reason. It's simple, it's reliable, and it makes some seriously delicious hot dogs. Whether you're setting up a hot dog stand at a local event, catering a party, or just want to enjoy perfectly cooked hot dogs at home, this machine has got you covered. Just load up the rollers with your favorite Franks, and let them spin until they're nice and juicy. And the best part, this machine is incredibly affordable. You can pick one up for less than the cost of a fancy dinner. Plus, it's super easy to clean and maintain, so you don't have to worry about spending hours scrubbing away grease and grime. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're entering the future of printing with the vertical printing machine, $500. Change the way you think about your printing needs. Imagine needing high-quality prints quickly and efficiently, but not wanting the hassle. Problem solved. With this machine you can print vertically with ease. It's super easy to use. Just load the paper, select your design, and voila! You've got yourself a perfect print every time. Alright guys, it's time to talk about a machine that's going to make you feel like $1,000,000. The 3-in-1 laser machine for $700. This bad boy offers tattoo removal, hair removal, and skin rejuvenation all in one compact device. Say goodbye to unwanted ink without expensive treatments. Tired of shaving and waxing? This is a game changer. It also helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Alright guys, this next machine is not for the faint of heart. The meat grinder and bone saw combo for $650. For serious carnivores and hunting enthusiasts who want complete control over their meat processing. The meat grinder is a beast for grinding your own meat blends. Control the coarseness for fine or chunky grinds. The bone saw is perfect for large cuts and game. It makes quick work of bones and tough materials. For quality, freshness, and control, this combo is a game changer. Alright guys, it's time to unleash your inner builder with the small concrete brick making machine, $650. This machine is perfect for anyone who's ever dreamed of building their own structures, whether it's a backyard patio, a garden wall, or even a small shed. Forget about hauling heavy bags of concrete mix or paying a premium for pre-made bricks. With this machine, you can make your own bricks right on site using simple materials like cement, sand, and gravel. And the best part? This machine is surprisingly affordable. You can pick one up for less than the cost of a high-end power tool. Plus, it's super satisfying to use. There's just something therapeutic about mixing up a batch of concrete, pouring it into the molds, and watching as perfectly formed bricks emerge. Alright guys, get ready to experience the miracle of life with the egg incubator for $450. This machine is perfect for anyone who's ever dreamed of raising their own chickens, ducks, or other poultry. Forget about relying on unreliable hens or dealing with the mess and unpredictability of natural incubation. With this machine, you can control the temperature, humidity, and egg-turning process to ensure a high hatch rate and healthy chicks. And the best part? This machine is surprisingly affordable. You can pick one up for less than the cost of a few dozen chicks. Plus, it's an amazing learning experience for kids and adults alike. There's nothing quite like witnessing the hatching process firsthand and watching those fluffy little chicks take their first steps. Alright guys, it's time to sweeten things up with the honey filling machine, $190. This machine is a game changer for beekeepers and honey enthusiasts who want to streamline their honey bottling process and take their business to the next level. Forget about the mess and inconsistency of manually filling honey jars. With this machine, you can fill jars with precise amounts of honey, ensuring consistency and reducing waste. And the best part, this machine is surprisingly affordable. You can pick one up for less than the cost of a professional honey extractor. Plus, it's super easy to use and clean. Simply pour your honey into the hopper, adjust the fill settings, and let the machine do the rest. Alright guys, get ready to unleash your inner artist and entrepreneur with the portable mini inkjet printer for $50. This little machine is about to revolutionize the way you think about printing. Imagine this. You're at a trade show, a craft fair, or even just hanging out with friends, and you want to add a personal touch to your products, gifts, or even just a random object. Boom! You whip out your trusty portable mini inkjet printer, connect it to your phone, and bam! Instant customization. And we're not just talking about printing on paper here. This bad boy can print on almost any surface you can imagine. Wood, metal, plastic, even food. But here's what really sets this machine apart. Its size and portability. This thing is so small, it can literally fit in your pocket. Alright guys, get ready for a sugar rush because we're about to talk about the automatic donut maker for $400. This machine is a dream come true for anyone who loves donuts. And let's be real, who doesn't? Imagine this. You wake up one morning craving a warm, delicious donut, but you don't want to go through the hassle of making them from scratch. No problem. With the automatic donut maker, you can have fresh, hot donuts ready to devour in minutes. This machine does it all. It mixes the batter, dispenses the perfect amount into the fryer, and even flips the donuts for even cooking. All you have to do is choose your favorite glaze and toppings, and get ready to indulge. Alright guys, it's time to get our chef on with the vegetable food shredder, $180. This machine is your new best friend for salads, slaws, or any dish needing shredded veggies. Shred mountains of veggies in minutes. It handles all sorts of vegetables, from cucumbers and zucchini to onions and peppers. Easy to use and clean. Choose the blade, toss in veggies, and let it work. Dishwasher safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Alright guys, get ready to have your minds blown, $180 because we're about to enter the future of coffee with the edible coffee cup waffle maker. This machine is about to change the way you think about your morning cup of joe. Imagine this. You wake up one morning craving a coffee and a waffle, but you don't want the hassle of making two separate things. Problem solved. With the edible coffee cup waffle maker, you can have your coffee and eat your cup too. This machine makes crispy, delicious waffle cups that you can fill with your favorite coffee, tea, or even dessert. Talk about a two-in-one treat. And the best part, it's super easy to use. Just pour in the waffle batter, let it cook, and voila, you've got yourself an edible coffee cup. Alright guys, it's time to get serious about sustainability with the plastic crusher machine for $475. This machine is a beast when it comes to reducing waste and making sure your plastic doesn't end up polluting the planet. It crushes down your plastic bottles, containers, and other plastic waste into small, manageable pieces, making it way easier to store and transport. And the best part? This machine is surprisingly affordable. You can pick one up for less than the cost of a new phone, plus it's super satisfying to use. There's just something therapeutic about feeding plastic into the machine and watching it get crushed into oblivion. That's a wrap, everyone. We've just unleashed 15 awesome machines that are ready to upgrade your small business or home life. From grinding your own flour to printing on anything you can imagine, these machines are all about making your life easier, more efficient, and a whole lot more fun. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which machine blew your mind the most, and which one you're dying to get your hands on. Until next time, stay awesome, stay creative, and keep on innovating. Peace out.